So they're color coded on the ends. White, yellow, there's a baby blue, and this is the dark blue. For safety, please first unplug your garage door opener. Since this spring is not broken, all I have to do is open the garage door. It's gonna release the tension, and then I can just come up here and remove my spring, and then I can lower my garage door. So again, it's gonna be very similar on this side. Safety cable here that I have to loosen up. So once I've removed that end of the safety cable, then I can just pull it through. So after removing the pulley, I'm gonna set the spring inside the pulley, and I'm gonna next thread my safety cable. And remember to thread it through the pulley as well. I'm gonna hang my safety cable, open the garage door, pull that up, and attach it. Spring in place. I'm gonna check to make sure that my pulleys are set. Is tighten up our safety cable. And so this just broke today, and I ran up to Home Depot and bought this, and I believe it was $24. I'm gonna remove those boards that I put in. Set the garage door to the lock position. Took me about 2 hours with recording to get this done. I got both sides done. If you're unsure what to do, you can always look over at the side that's not broken. If you're totally unsure, just close up the garage door, call a technician. But it is something that's fairly simple. I think most people should be able to get this without any issues. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching. Please like it.